Learn how to easily insert an EM dash in Word with these simple instructions. Use Word's Autoformat. To insert an EM dash, type 2 hyphens, using the minus key, immediately after the word where you want the EM dash to appear. Then type the next word after the hyphens and press the spacebar. Word should automatically turn the hyphens into an EM dash between the two text words. If this method does not work, you may need to check and enable Word's Autoformat function. Use keyboard shortcuts. To insert an EM dash using your keyboard in Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus minus on the numeric keypad. Use the symbol menu. Put the cursor in the position where you want your EM dash in the document. Go to the Insert tab and select the symbol menu. From the drop-down menu, find More Symbols and Special Characters, and then select the EM dash to insert it. Use Unicode. First, click where you want to insert the EM dash in your document. Type the Unicode value 2014 and press Alt and X simultaneously. Word should convert the 2014 into an EM dash. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.